Want to remove the Gemini watermark from your AI images and videos for free? No software, no sign up, and it only takes a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you free websites that can remove the Gemini watermark from both images and videos directly in your browser. Just upload your file, let the AI process it, and download the clean version. No account creation, no installation, and most of these tools work on both desktop and mobile. I'll try out few websites. Let's get started.